Hey you guys, I recently converted this white denim jacket and skirt into this. Let's see how. So I used the Kadam Tie Dye Kit, which comes with an instruction manual and dyes, prefixer to powder, an apron, gloves, rubber bands, ziploc bag, dye fixing solution, and we are going to use these 3 pastel shades for today's project. Now first things first, I'm going to pour the prefixer to powder in 10 liters of water and soak both of the pieces in it for 20 minutes. While that is being done, we are going to prepare the dye and just change the bottle cap to the nozzle. Now because it's a half and half tie-dye technique, I'm going to separate the middle part using a rubber band and then just wrap the rubber bands around on the right side of the skirt very randomly. Doing the same thing for the left side of the jacket, and then my favorite part, randomly pouring in the colors. Now once I've covered both the sides, I'm just going to put the dyed portion in a ziploc bag for 24 hours and secure it using a rubber band. On the other day, taking 2 buckets filled with 5 liters of water and mixing 1 bottle of Dye Fix Mini in each one of them and just soaking the dyed outfits for 10 minutes without removing the rubber band. Time to get rid of any excess dye, and this is what the final outfit is going to look like. I am in awe with the way this has turned out to be and the fact that it was super easy to do. I hope this was helpful to you guys. I'm going to soon do a styling video on the same, so stay tuned.